Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're looking at the best gold coffee table tray you can find on the market right now. The Maoname Gold Decorative Tray. Whether you're going for functionality, elegance, or just want something versatile that blends with modern home decor, this tray checks all the boxes. Let's dive right in. First off, the design. This tray is a rectangular beauty with a glossy gold finish that immediately catches the eye. It measures 15.8 inches long, 10.2 inches wide, and 1.4 inches high. The perfect size to accommodate anything from candles and magazines to your favorite coffee mug and remote control. It's large enough to be practical, but not so big that it overwhelms your space. Now let's talk materials. It's made of high-quality plastic, which means it's lightweight yet durable. You're not dealing with a fragile item here. This tray can handle everyday use, whether it's in your living room, on your ottoman, or even in your bathroom. The glossy surface not only adds a luxe feel but also makes it super easy to clean. The built-in oval handles. These aren't just there for style. They're functional and ergonomically designed to make carrying the tray easy and comfortable. You won't be struggling to hold it even when it's fully loaded. Plus, the raised edges 1.4 inches high help prevent items from slipping off. Whether you're using it to carry drinks or display your perfume collection, everything stays in place. Versatility is one of this tray's biggest selling points. It's not just for coffee tables. You can use it as a breakfast tray in bed, a jewelry or makeup organizer on your vanity, a perfume display in your bathroom, or a decorative catch-all on your entryway console. Its clean lines and modern aesthetic make it a fit for almost any room. And the color? Let's not forget the gold. It's not a cheap, overly shiny gold. It's a tasteful, soft metallic that enhances whatever you place on it. It instantly elevates your space without being too loud or flashy. In terms of setup and maintenance, there's zero hassle. No assembly required. No complicated cleaning process. Just unbox it, set it where you like, and enjoy a clutter-free, elegant space. So if you're looking for a decorative tray that's as functional as it is stylish, the Maoname Gold Decorative Tray is hands down the best gold coffee table tray available. Lightweight, easy to clean, multi-purpose, and beautifully designed, it's a must-have for anyone who values design and convenience. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss a product breakdown here on Product Critique. See you next time.